So over here you can see that I am in the Fairlight page of Davinci Resolve, and you can see that there are two audio clips right here. So if I were to go around over here and press the play button, this is an example audio recording for Davinci Resolve tutorial series. You can hear out the audio right here. So you have the music audio right here, the music audio layer, and then over here on the bottom you can see that I have the voiceover audio right here. So I can hear both of the audio at the same time right now, but if I want to hear only one of the audio track right here, then what I can do is I can solo that out right here. Once I click on the S button on one of the tracks, then what happens is that everything else will be muted out and I'll be able to only hear out that particular audio track. So let's just go around and press the play button once more. This is an example audio recording for Davinci Resolve. So that is what you have. As you can see, you just hear out this particular audio. But if you have more and more audio layers right here and you want to mute out the audio layers like separately as well, you can click on the mute button right here. So what it does is it mutes out the selected audio layer and you will only hear out the other layers right here. So if I were to press the play button, that is what you have, as you can see, just like that. And that is how you can go around and solo out tracks and mute different audio tracks inside of Davinci Resolve. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.